Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company ERS, Environmental Record Search, and they're looking for a social media and marketing coordinator technician, and is fully remote, and it pays from $16 an hour. This is a part-time position, social media and marketing coordinator technician, female or male, that will assist ERS in marketing its reports and services through social media and email flyers. Some of the skills used are as follows: making connections and posts on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, writing and designing flyers, newsletters, and emails, developing individual marketing campaigns and carrying them out, improving social media followers and connections, tracking the results of all marketing and social media, working with sales to target specific groups. Must have some social media and marketing experience. Wages increase will occur on a regular basis upon demonstrated improved ability by employee to become proficient in the work over a period of time once fully trained. Office hours are flexible as needed or required and are commonly Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 p.m. This is why this job is perfect for students. ERS is an equal opportunity employer. They have great work ethic, learning attitude, and care for excellence in what you and others do. We hire people that care about their work. If you want to join, I'll put the link right below. This part-time pays $16 per hour with the supplemental pay that will increase over time. You get paid time off. It's 4-hour shifts with a self-determined schedule. And they're looking for experience at least 1 year required of social media marketing. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified out of our 5 to 7 job leads that we do on a daily basis right here on the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.